In this episode, we explore a fallout shelter in a forest. This summer I went to Germany with Ilko to document this abandoned fallout shelter I've been before.
Oh fuck. Oh, they closed it. Oh my god. This is new. Fuck. Oh my god.
To my surprise, we found all entries shut tight.
I already tried to open it. You see?
It will be opened soon.
Oh my god.
Recently I went again to see if there was an entry. The entry was forced open this time, but the first part of the bunker was filled with pruning waste and blocked with wood. I stick my phone through a gap to see what's behind. Another closed door. This location is shut tight now. What a bummer. This footage dates back from the first visit, when getting inside was a walk in the park. This footage was not intended to be uploaded. It was to test my new GoPro in low light conditions.
Nice.
We enter through an emergency exit and take the staircase down, leading to some heavy doors. Due to the increasing spread of nuclear weapons since the end of the Second World War, many fallout shelters were constructed as civil defense measures during the Cold War. It's designed to minimize exposure to harmful fallout until radioactivity has decayed to a safer level. The shelters are intended for a longer period of time, so they have to be self-sufficient. So there was a supply of water, energy, fresh air, and the supply of food and medical care must be provided. Most of these shelters have another use now. Some of them became abandoned. This bunker has been cleaned out mostly. The whole shelter has fluorescent markings, so people could find their way in case of an emergency. We find the highlight of the bunker, the communication room. You can see the part on the right has a little more modern equipment. To our surprise, the electricity still works in some parts. Here's the generator. Also here you could hear a buzzing sound, indicating there is still electricity. Also in this room, you can see the shelter has been modernized with some newer digital panels. Here's the diesel tank, providing fuel for the generator. Back at the communication room, there was a small door. Leads to another emergency exit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more bunkers and other abandoned places. We'll post this epic bunker in a few weeks. Stay tuned.